Welcome to this walkthrough of the Simple Monthly Budget Tracker, Deluxe Edition. This tool was designed to help you monitor your monthly finances in one clean, easy-to-use spreadsheet. Now let's get started. We begin with the monthly subscriptions. This table is where you enter any recurring subscriptions you pay each month. To add an entry, enter the calendar day of the anticipated expense in column A. For example, if a subscription is due on June 8th, you would enter 8. Then enter the name of the subscription in column B and the total cost in column C. This category is specifically designed for recurring monthly charges like streaming services, software, or membership fees. Moving to the right, we have fixed monthly expenses. These are predictable, recurring costs that stay the same each month. Things like rent, insurance, or loan payments. Same process here, day of the month in column E, the name of the expense in column F, and then the total cost in column G. If you hover over the comment, you can see the full explanation for what belongs in this category. Next is the variable monthly expenses. This is where you track costs that change from month to month, such as utilities. Day of the month goes in column I, the expense name in column J, and then the cost in column K. The comment explains exactly what types of expenses fit here, so there's never going to be any guesswork. The final expense table is annual expenses. This is a smart feature that lets you plan ahead for costs that don't come every month. Things like vehicle registration, insurance renewals, or holiday spending. Instead of entering a day, you enter the month the expenses due in column M, the name in column N, and the full annual cost in column O. The tracker will automatically calculate the monthly equivalent, so it's factored into your overall budget. Now let's look at the income section. Here you record all sources of incoming money for the month. Enter the day you expect to receive it in column A, the source of income in column B, whether that's your paycheck, freelance work, or any other credit, and the net amount in column C. Everything feeds automatically into your final results. We can finally move over to the monthly budget sheet. This is where everything comes together automatically. Every expense you entered on the user input sheet populates here in chronological order. No manual sorting is required. You can see each transaction listed by date with its cost, giving you a clean month-long ledger of all your spending. Over here in the bar chart, you can see a visual breakdown of your spending by category: subscriptions, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and annual expenses. This gives you an immediate picture of where your money is going each month and makes it easy to spot which category is eating the most of your budget. Above the chart is your monthly cash flow summary. This shows your total income, total expenses, and your cash flow for the month, which will show as a deficit if your expenses exceed your income. Everything here updates automatically based on your inputs. No formulas to manage. Finally, I want to show you one of my favorite features, the automatic sort. Watch what happens when I add a forgotten expense with an earlier date. As soon as I enter it, the entire ledger resorts itself in ascending date order automatically. You never have to worry about manually organizing your transactions. The spreadsheet handles it for you. That's the Simple Monthly Budget Tracker Deluxe Edition. If this is something that could help you take control of your monthly finances, you can find it linked in the description below. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.